Before we look at this particular equation out here. This is a representation of AOM. Out here the reactants are methane and sulfate and the products are HCO3, HS and H2. These products then out here, which is HCO3, combines with calcium to give calcium carbonate, which exists as calcite and or as aragonite crystals. In study 1, we observe the reactants, which is sulfate and methane. And in study 2, we observe the indirect products, which is calcite and aragonite. If you look at the options out here, option B states that study 1 was not analyzed for the reactants of AOM, which is not true. Hence, it's eliminated. Option C states that study 1 was analyzed for the direct products of AOM, which is again not true, since we studied the reactants for AOM. Option D states that study 1 was not analyzed for the direct products of AOM, whereas in study 2, samples were analyzed for the direct products of AOM. The first part of the statement is true. However, study 2, samples were analyzed for the direct products of AOM is not true, because out here, the indirect products of AOM in study 2 were analyzed, which is calcite and aragonite. Hence, option D is also eliminated. Option A states that it was analyzed for the reactants of AOM, which is study 1, whereas in study 2, samples were not analyzed for the reactants of AOM, which is again true. Hence, option A is the correct answer.